Hello again. So today I just want to share one of the things which I found related to FBRA, the clearing of the journal entries. This T code FBRA, it has two types. You can say that in first of the option, if you do this thing, it will reset the entry. So what it will do that it will only make the things or entry make it available as an open item, but still it is not reverse. But and the second option is to reset and reverse. So for reset and reverse, this what I found is something that is understandable, which I fully understand and the purpose and its practicality. But the other option to reset only, not very much clear in that thing, but we can just whatever I learned, I will share with you, and later on, if some time I will learn this thing, I will discuss with you. So currently, we are just going to check FBR how it will. Um it has different you can say the effect on some on matching items. So this is my clear GL account. I just open a Fury app, okay, and this 3006 is my clearing account, bank clearing account, and in that, if I open it, so you know that in that all the open items are there. So we'll work on these two typical entries: -100, which is coming from SA. I manually enter it. I have a very limited data, that's why I just selected because it's test server. But soon we get the production, then we'll explore more. So right now it's $100 in negative and $45 in positive. Where is that? So this is the positive. Okay, so I'm going to match it. So just we write down the reference 43 2000. This one is ZR and it has 45 value. Okay, and also I will show, because when we do the scenario, it will maybe you will find it complex. So the entry ZR mean that it is coming from the bank, and if it is coming from the bank or EBS, certainly the main account is will be used. So main account is credited because it's a payment. So main account 3000 is credit and 3006 is debit. So it's an open item. So remember this thing, that these two entries are there, and that's it. There's no other information. I'm just checking if there is any field where it is mentioned that it is clear or not, because this we need it later on. And same thing, if we enter, this is manual entry, it's through GL. Someday I pass, I don't remember why, but it is something like 100. So bank charges debit, and this the clear account. Actually, we are working on. We just want to see the effect on the clear account. So here the clear account is credit with $100. Okay. Okay. So that is that, and this is the jail number. Let's see. Yes. So okay. So I found it interested. That's why I'm just making a video. So what we are going to do, I'm just testing like if like we want to match it. This $45. Where is that gone? $45. This one and this one. Okay. So as the balance is 55, we have to make it 0, otherwise it will not allow. So 45. So now balance is 0, we're going to match. So when we are going to match, there is a new third document will be generated. It is a matching. So in that actually what happened, the clearing account will be debit and credit. With the same clearing account will be debit and credit, and it will match, and this third document will be created. And this document we'll receive first with the we reverse it using FBRA, first option with the reset, and then a second option to reverse. So let's see, first of all we match it. So it is matched. This is the document. So I will write it now. So this is the matching document. Means that for FBRA we use this document number. Okay. So if you want to just open it, we can see that both account is same 006 nothing has changed. It generally matches. So what will happen in FBRA when we use, first we go to the second option because it's easy and understandable. When we reset and reverse it, so what will happen, it will reset means that it will open the original entries and also reverse this thing, so things will be available like normal. I mean, this is what, but the first option is something which I'm not aware, I'm not fully understand, but we'll see what will be the. So this is what happens. So this is the journal entry, I just mark it. So we'll go and reset the, okay. So let's go and just now just see how it looks like. So see, this is also a new thing. This 45 is gone. Okay, that 45 which is coming down, it is no longer in open item. So now this is some interesting thing. So AB's, what I understand, whenever we match it, this journal entry will come, this document AB will come. So see, whenever I select although we use 45 on this thing, so it should be 55, but say 100 is coming, so this 145, so this one is auto generated and the net factor is 45. So this is also new for me. So just select it. See, when I select only one, the other is automatically selected and the balance is 55. So this is something new for me as well. Means that I spent so much time that because I was just checking that 100, why 100 is there, it should be 55. So just I just click this thing, and then I saw it's 55, and the pair is there. So this is also first new thing for me, for finding that now whenever you match partially, the original amount still be coming, but there's a new document generated with the document type AB, and this is the matching number. If you want to see the history, you can click it, it will show that where it has matched. So if we see, it will show this. I hope it will show the original document. Let's see. Let's show the original from where it is. Yes, so this is the original document ending with 45 645. So it shows, yeah, okay. So now see, this AB is the auto generated clearing, but this ZR is the EBS related. So it gives the information from where it is matched. Okay. So this is the, so scenarios that we match it now, due to some reason we want to unmatch it, reverse, we want to open it. This is usually we need it when we make a payment to the vendor, or there's some the return of receivable. We deposit the check but it is returned due to some reason, so then we use this FBRA. But for just simplicity, I'm just making this taking this example because we don't have production server right now, but soon we have it. I will make a new video for this. Okay, so now we are moving to GUI app. So the T code for the resetting is FBRA, and we need a matching number. So matching number, the document, the AB type, so we have to provide that one. See, if it is open in the Fury app, it will give the error. Let's see. Okay, So we put 2026 and I will press this thing. Not does not okay, I think it's 7 then. So these are the two options I'm trying. Okay, so this one is normal for me. This one has something complex things. We'll see that. So first of all, we'll do this. So it has two things. So it will first reset. Reset mean that it will unmatch, and reverse mean the entry will be reverse. That matching entry will be reversed. So then, in simple words, things will be normal as before matching. So we'll do this thing reverse and just we want to provide you currently blocked because I have opened this thing, that's why it is there. Okay, let's do it. So it is done. This is the document generated. So this is for FBRA. I'm just writing it down for my reference. Okay, now let's see what will happen and how it looks like. Okay, so I will go back. I think it's better. We can just clear. So 100 is there. See, 100 is there. This, if you remember, there's 145 is there beneath AB. So no more AB because it fully available. So if I select here, 100 is there, means that okay, it came back to its normal, and 45 should be there, the original one ZR. So if we go like this is ZR. Okay, so we can do it again. So the second option is you can say that easy, understandable, and I will use this thing. I don't want to use the other option, it's quite complex. Now I will show you what happened when you use the second one. Okay, so same thing we're going to do again. We'll just make it 45. The balance will be 0. Balance is 0. Again, I'm matching it. Okay, so remember this 89 is the SA entry, 645 is the our ZR entry. We are just matching it. So we match it, and this is a new number for the matching. Okay, so if you want to see it, we can see it. So nothing will be there. Okay, it is done. Okay, so this is done. We go back and just see how it looks like. See again, the original entry now, as I mentioned, it will remain 100, but there's a new entry, AB will come. So if I click this one or this one, both will be automatically selected. 45, and the other 45 which are from the bank service data, it is no more here because it is cleared. So in this app only the open items will be there. So this is the current status. So we put like this. We are again going back to reset account. Now the document number is this. Now we are only resetting. So what it will do, it will only unmatch the entry, but this entry will remain in the system. This 296 will remain in the system. In this entry, debit and credit is a clearing account, but it will remain in the system. I don't know what is the purpose for this thing, because I will show you. I mean, what because first I did this thing, so I cannot. I mean, do it later on. So what I did, I just reverse it manually. So just I will show you how the effect will come. Only reset. reset is done. Going back to Fury app. Okay, so Fury app is there. So see, although we reset it, what will happen? 100 is there, 45 is there, another 45 is there, and ZR45 is also there. ZR45 is there, okay. So ZR45 is there. So this is something new for me as well, that when you only set, if I click this thing, so if these two are selected, but this one, it's still there. That's what I'm saying, that the matching is undo, but the entry is still there. That is something new for me. Means that this 45 in AB and the other one 45 ZR, both are there. So means that you can use use these two amount with other combination. That could be the rationale behind. So both are now available as an open item. So that is something new for me. Means that this is 55 reduced to 55. This we know that, okay, that is the normal behavior. But these things, this 45 and the other 45, they're also in a system as an open item but unmatched. So this is something new for me. So for this, what I did, either you can, I mean, use this thing with the other payments, you can adjust this thing, or what I did, then I reverse it to cancel this effect. So to reverse it, it's FB08. So what will happen, that this AB entry, this one, these two will be vanish. These two AB entry will be, this should be like this, and only the original amount 100 SA and ZR45 should remain. So let's see, FB08 slash FB08. So document number is new document number, which will have to reverse. I believe it is. I just want to make sure. Yeah, see, this is the this we have to reverse it. So it will last the date, I think. So, okay, currently block. Okay. So date will be 12/15. Let's see. So for financial year start from April to March, so it's 02 because we are in May, so April, May 02. Let's see. Was posted 997 is posted. So let's see how the system will go back. See, now that AB entry is now removed, so original is there 100 and 45. So my recommendation is, or suggestion is, that not to use this reset only. Reset and reverse should be used, because in that way it will come to its normal or original position. Otherwise you have to do two steps, like first of all reset, and second is reverse. So probably due to some segregation of duties, this thing may be introduced, that you can, one person can only reset, the other person can reverse it. So could be that could be the reason, but that is that. And one thing, like maybe it is just for the information, there should be some reference in this as well, what we are doing. like changing reversal, so this will also come under this thing. So we are changing and doing reversing, so this thing like post and date is, so you can see that there are some references. This is our journal main entry 29222. Okay, I started with this something. I mean, in the beginning, and we reached to this is the latest one which I showed you in the video 297. Okay, so 297. What will happen in this? So amount, debit, credit, and these things, and so it also come in the audit journal when you are doing something like this. Just for the information, I'm just saying. Okay. Okay, there's something like just for the information that also it was recorded in the audit journal, the Fury app as well, whatever you are doing the changes. So you will check in this thing just for FYI for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe it. And I will make more videos for bank reconciliation because it is kind of a unexplored area or unturned stone that nobody is providing any information on this thing. So I found it like it is something very required thing for the new learners. So I'm just making video. I will make as much videos as possible so anybody can just work on this EBS thing. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks. See you again on some other new exciting video.